Howdy, folks. So, Collin has been working on building his own working gumball dispensing machine all week. And he's been asking me to help him, like daily, but I'm working, so it's kind of tough. So, today, I had a good chunk of time actually, to help him, make his vision a reality. So, before I show this is all his design. And the dispensing mechanism, he actually learned how to do that from like an online video or something, YouTube video. So all I did was I just stepped in to provide more rugged parts where it was needed. So that's all I did. I just stepped in and helped him with the rigid parts. I thought it came out pretty cool. So enough talk. Let's go see it. All right, Collin's Gumball Machine. Nice. I'm gonna do it from back here. Oh, you gotta shake it. Oh no! It went too fast. All right, try it again.
Are you recording?
Yeah. That's so cool, Collin. So Collin actually designed this, and all I did was just make it more rigid. It has a spring in here, and this block of wood has a hole drilled about right here. Yeah, right there. So when you push this in, the hole goes under here, picks up one of these balls, and then when you let go, the spring pushes it back and drops it, and there's a hole under here, drops it down. Whoop!
Ready?
Yeah.